What to read when you're studying at elementary or pre-intermediate level? Of course, graded readers are always an option, but there are some books that you can read now. I have no idea why nobody has recommended to read Dr. Seuss books, and yes, these books are for kids, but they also learn this language and new words as you do, so it's not embarrassing to read the kids' literature at the beginning. Because you can see pictures and it's easily to memorize, then you do the translation in your notebook. Anyways, Dr. Seuss has the perfect books for elementary students because they short and easy. So if you're at the beginning of A1 at elementary level, you can check out his famous book Green Eggs and Ham. And this book was written in 50 different words. And you can read One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, and other blueback books. When you're close to the end of elementary level, you can try greenback books, and I can read with my eyes shut, or My Many Color Days. And finally, his most famous books that you probably heard of or watched movies are for those who are studying at A2, it's pre-intermediate, because still you have several new words. And the books are The Cat in the Hat, The Lorax, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and Horton Hears Who. I also read Dr. Seuss and I adore his illustrations, and I have a tip for you. I downloaded the app Dr. Seuss Treasury, and the app itself is for free, but after the first free month, you should pay for a subscription. I like this app because you can check the pronunciation of the word if you tap on it, or you can press Read it to me and follow how the whole sentence is pronounced. Plus, you can tap on pictures items and it shows what it is, so you can learn new words. If you read Dr. Seuss, let me know in the comments down below.